Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Riot Client no internet found. Alright, so let's begin with the video. If you're having any kind of network issues when connecting to Riot games, here are several steps you can take to resolve them. First, open up the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. In the top right-hand corner, click the drop-down menu and switch the view to large icons. After that, click on Network and Sharing Center. From there, click on your active connection on the right-hand side and select Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and press Properties again. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 1111 and 1001. Then press OK and close this menu. Next, open the Start menu again, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and run it as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig /flush DNS and press Enter. After that, type net sh winsock reset and press Enter. Once these commands complete, restart your computer. This alone often fixes Riot Client connection problems. If the issue still isn't fixed, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Here, select Network and Internet, then choose Advanced Network Settings at the bottom and click on Network Reset. Press the Reset Now button. After the reset finishes, restart your computer again. This should resolve most Riot network issues and get you back online. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Riot Client no internet found. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.